Okay, so I want us to understand something. There is what we call calculating your risk. Now, I'm sure if you've been to any other platform where they teach forex trading, you've had people talk about risking 1%, risking 2%, risking 3%. Now, how do you determine how much you're going to risk for a trade? For example, I have got this setup on USD CHF, and it looks like it's going to be a good trade for me. Now, I want to trade this setup, but I want to risk a particular amount of high capital. Let's say I have $5,000, or I have $500, or I have $100, and I want to risk or maybe only 1% of that account. The question is, how much do I determine, or how do I determine the risk that I'm supposed to take on a trade? So today, this is what I'm going to be taking you through to break you through how you are supposed to do this. I am not going to go through the hard way. The easiest way is the best way. So always, that's our principle. We want to always take the easiest ways out. So this is USDCHF. And from here, what you're supposed to do is, first of all, go to this ruler and then measure your risk. That means the side that is on the loss. And you know how many pips you're taking as a loss. So if the market trades against you, you're going to lose maybe, let's say, the 11.7 pips. So I'm going to take that to be 12 pips. Okay, so I'm rounding that off to 12 pips. Then after that, I am going to go to now my position sizing, and then I check which one is. For example, now I have this one on Baby Pips. So you just go to www.babypips.com, and then when you reach Baby Pips, there is this risk calculator. Now, on the risk calculator, first of all, which currency are you trading in? Or I mean, your capital. Are you having it in dollars, in euros, in yen, or in pounds? So I am going to take USD. Of course, that's what I'm trading in. And now I am trading a prop firm funded next $6,000. So this is what I'm going to take. Now the risk percentage is how much am I going to be risking? So I can decide and say I'm putting one, or I'm putting two, or I'm putting three, whatever that you want to risk, you put it there. And then when you put it there, you go to the next level, which is the number of pips. So I have put 12 pips as my stop loss. So that's, maybe I can put 10. Okay. Maybe you can put 15. Maybe you can put 20, depending on what was in your risk. So here we're going to take 12 because we had 11 point. And then we're saying, which pair are we trading? We are trading USD CHF. Okay. So we're trading USD CHF. So if we're trading USD CHF, and then they are going to ask you, what price did you enter that market? So we're going to say 0.78855, which is the price at which we took. Then we are going to do the calculations. Once we do the calculations, what is the result? Is that the amount that is going to be at risk is $120 from the $6,000 account. That is 2%, which is $120. We are going to take the standard loss. So the standard loss that you're going to take is this. This is the standard loss, 0.7855. Now, because you may not be able to put 0.788, I mean 0.755, you're going to put maybe 0.78, or you can put 0.8 as your lot size. Of course, it will affect the results at the end of the day. The other side, if it hits your stop loss, you're going to slightly lose more than $120. You may lose 123 or $122. But also, if it makes profits, maybe you have taken 1:2 risk to reward ratio. That's what it is. So you get this value that you've gotten here as the standard lot. Then you come back to your trading view, and you change this is your trading view. Okay, so now in your setup, or your trading setup, maybe say you're trading on MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4, you're going to put that loss size that has been given you from Baby Pips. For example, you're going to place 0.8 as your lot size on your trading platform. So maybe you're trading MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 2, or you're trading CTrader, whatever you're trading, just pressing that trade, that's that exact lot size, and that is going to be the risk calculation that you're going to be needing. If this is really insightful to you, ensure to follow, ensure to like, and also leave a comment if it makes sense, or anything that you would love to get more clarification on. You can still leave that comment and I'll get back to you, of course. Thank you so much. It's Dennis Cash Pips once again.